Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, I've decided to teach you guys how you can be able to prompt professionally. How you can be able to input your prompt on any AI agent, and that AI agent will be able to do exactly what you want. It will give you the exact result that you expect. A lot of you don't know how to prompt. A lot of you will just go in, maybe you open ChatGPT and will be telling ChatGPT whatever comes to your mind. That is not the proper way to prompt. All right, so on this video I'm going to ground you up and teach you what you need to know, all you need to know as regards prompting. All right, so it's very easy. After watching this video, you are going to be grateful that you did, and also you are going to be able to talk to the AI like it's your friend. Like you'll be able to command it and it will do exactly what you do, rather than the AI having to guess or to just imagine what you want. All right, so let's now dive into the video. I don't want to be talking too much. Let's now go straight in. Let me teach you how you can be able to prompt professionally. All right, so if you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, on this channel I talk about crypto, airdrop, I talk about AI, I talk about how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel. It means the whole world to me personally. All right, so without wasting time, let me now take you to my laptop and show you how you can be able to prompt like a pro. All right, so prompting is not just all about talking. Prompting is about building a very structured words with your mouth, or probably typing it right there and allowing the AI to work and give you the proper thing. So let's now start with the introduction right here. Now let's start with the introduction. So prompting is the skill of giving clear and detailed instruction to an AI so it can produce the result you want. The quality of the output depends heavily on the quality of the prompt. Okay, so a vague prompt often leads to vague answers, while a well-structured prompt produces more accurate, useful, and relevant response. Okay, now to be able to prompt professionally, you need these 5 elements. You can see these 5 elements right here. The first one is context. All right, the second one is specification, the third one is boundary, we have negative prompt, and finally we have role play. All this thing has to come together for you to be able to give the AI a very clear command, for the AI to be able to understand the exact thing you want. I know a lot of you have become a little bit surprised because probably you don't know that all these things are required for you to prompt very well, but thank God, here we are. I'm learning, you are also learning. Okay, now let's start with the first one, which is of course the context. Okay, now let me tell you what you need to know about the context. Okay, so context is the background information that helps the AI understand the situation. Okay, it explains why you are making the request and provide the necessary detail. Now listen out. Without context, the AI has to guess what you mean. All right, so with this context, you are going to be able to tell the AI clearly the condition you are on and allow it to imagine and of course give you the exact thing, very nearest to the exact thing you want. Okay, now example without prompt. So without prompt, you will have something like write an article about YouTube. If you just say something like this, it doesn't really make sense. Now watch out. Okay, this is too broad. The AI doesn't know the audience, purpose, or focus. Remember, we are still talking about context. Okay, now example with context. Now let's add context to this. Okay, to this particular one right here, let's add context to it. Now this is what prompt that has context looks like. Okay, I own a YouTube channel that teaches beginner about cryptocurrency. Write an article explaining how new creators can optimize their video for search. Now look at the difference between this one right here. You can see this one, write an article about YouTube. AI doesn't know what you're talking about, but when you explain it like this one right here, the AI will then understand what you mean. Now look at this. The AI now understands the topic, the audience, the purpose, and the writing direction. All right, so you need to master this context. All right, because if you master the context, it will allow you to give a better prompt and allow the AI to understand your situation. Now the best practice is this is the best practices right here. Explains the situation, mention your audience, include relevant background, and state your goal. That is the context. Okay, now let's go to the specification. Now what is the specification? Specification tells the AI exactly what you want. That is to say that you are being specific. Okay, now think of it as your detailed instruction. Now the more specific you are, the closer the output will match your expectation. Now remember, we have talked about context. Now we are talking about specification. Context is talking about allowing the AI to know the background that you are talking from, allow the AI to know your goal, like giving it a foundation. But this context is like, telling it the exact thing you want. Okay, now let's go down a little bit. Example right here is, instead of saying create a YouTube title, this is what you can say, and this one has specification. You can see right here, create a 10 YouTube titles under 60 characters that create curiosity, are SEO friendly, and target cryptocurrency beginners. Now the AI understand what you are talking about specifically. You understand, right? Now let's go ahead right now. Now the AI knows the quality first, the length second, the style third, the SEO requirements fourth, and finally target audience. You are being specific with the AI, allowing the AI to understand what you are talking about exactly. Now let's go down a little bit. What you can specify right here is tone, length, format, structure, reading level, language, number of example, target audience, and style. This is what the specification comprises, like the exact thing you want. That is specification. All right, just like the example that they gave us, instead of saying create a YouTube title, you go ahead and tell it to create a YouTube 10 different YouTube title. It shouldn't exceed 60 character and this and that. It will allow the AI to understand the point you are coming from and give you the exact thing you want. Now let's go ahead right now. The next one is boundary. Okay, now when you hear boundary, already you know what we are talking about, but when you hear boundary as regards AI prompt, this is what it means. Boundary tells the AI what limit it should follow. It tells the AI the point at which it will reach and it should not exceed there. For example, let's find out boundary right here on specification example. Now over here on this specification example right here, this under 60 character up here is example of a boundary. Okay, is an example of a boundary. Now let's get a very better example right here. Example, instead of saying write a script about Bitcoin, this is what you will say. Say right here, write a 5-minute, it's giving it limit, write a 5-minute script about Bitcoin using simple English. You are giving it boundaries. You are giving it boundaries, limit. Do not complicate technical terms. Do not exceed 700 words. Now look at this. The AI now has a clear limit. It now understand where it should not exceed. Now example of boundaries right is maximum word. For this example it says 700. Now maximum word count. Okay, for the maximum word right here, for example right here it is 700, and minimum word count, which is it should not exceed 700. That is, it should be below 700. Now don't include bullet points, use simple English, avoid technical jargon, stay within one topic, don't mention competitors, don't repeat information. Now this is examples of boundaries, that is telling the AI where it should not go beyond. Okay, now let's go back a little bit. Boundary helps keep response focused, allowing the AI to have where it will focus. You understand, right? Now going down a little bit right here, we are going to the negative prompts. All right, so these negative prompts, what does it do? Let's find out together. Okay, negative prompts tells the AI what you do not do. Okay, what you do not want. Like it tells the AI what it should not do. Okay, because sometimes when you tell AI what it should do without telling it what it should not do, it will do that which you don't expect. So we have to give it, you have to remind it what it should not do. Now let's find out more information about this. Many people only explain what they want but forget to explain what they don't want. Okay, what they want to avoid, they don't focus on that, and this makes the AI not to know what to avoid and what not to avoid. Now let's dive in even deeper. Negative prompts reduce unwanted content. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that after watching this video you are going to be able to tell AI what it will do, and it will do exactly what you want. Okay, now let's go down. For example, we are now going to example. Instead of saying create a thumbnail, say something like create a YouTube thumbnail with bright color, large text, and a cryptocurrency theme. Now we are now going to the negative thumbnail right now. It says do not make it dark, blurry, cluttered or filled with too much text. Now you are giving it the negative prompt, which is you telling it what you do not want. And if you were able to put all this that I've already explained right here, put them together, you are going to be able to tell the AI exactly what it will do, and it will do just that without having to add or reduce. Okay, now let's go down a little bit. Now the AI knows both the desired and the undesired outcomes. More example right here. Do not add watermark. Use low quality image. This is example of negative prompt. Okay, use low quality image, make the design crowded, repeat sentence, use clickbait claims, include copyright logos, write long introductions. So you are now trying to understand what how you will approach the AI, and not to make it give you what you do not order for. So using all these terms right here and understanding all these 5 prompting elements is going to allow you to be a pro when it comes to AI prompting and all that. Negative prompts helps reduce mistake before they happen. Right now, let's dive to the last one right here, which is role play. Over here on role play, what do you say right here? Role play means assigning the AI a specific identity, profession, or expertise before giving instruction. Now you are telling the AI to be this, to assume that it is this before it starts giving you this. Okay, now let's understand it. This one is very interesting. Now this change how the AI approach the task. Okay, now let's go again. For example, right here, instead of saying write a marketing plan, this is what you should say. Now say act as a professional digital marketing consultant with 15 years of experience. Now you are giving it a role to play. You are giving the AI a role to play. You are giving it a big time role to play. Now the AI is going to assume that it is that thing that you just said, to tell you how powerful AI is, and it will give you your outcome with the exact position that you are putting. Now let's continue. Create a marketing strategy for a new cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Now you have told the AI what it should assume it is, with the experience that it should assume it has, and you have also given it the work to do. Now let's now continue. The AI now responds from the perspective of experienced marketing professional. Now let's go to example right here is act as a YouTube SEO expert before you give, assign a role to it before you tell it what to do. A software engineer, a lawyer, a doctor, a teacher, a business consultant, a financial analyst, a graphic designer. Role play often leads to more focused and specialized response. Okay, I believe you are getting what I'm trying to explain right here. Now let's go down. Putting everything together, a great prompt combines all 5 elements. Okay, now I believe for those of you who doesn't know before now, that prompting isn't just about telling the AI do this, telling the AI do that. If you want to prompt professionally, you have to put all these 5 elements together. Now I'll be honest with you, they mustn't be up to 5, like 3 or 4. If they are there, they will give you a very massive and a response that you may not imagine that it will ever come out in its form. Okay, now let's go down a little bit right now. Example of full prompt. Now all this prompt right here is going to combine everything that we have said so far. Now let's continue. Act as experienced YouTube SEO expert. Now this is role play. You just assign role to it. Let's continue. Let me highlight it. I run a cryptocurrency educational channel for beginners. Now this one is the context. Okay, you are now telling it your background to understand your situation. Now let's continue right here. Create a 10 SEO friendly YouTube title under 60 characters. You are now telling it boundaries. Okay, for a video about free crypto airdrop. Now you are telling it both the the boundaries, and of course you are also being specific about what you are talking about. That is specification. Now we are now going deeper into specification. Use engaging language that sparks curiosity. Okay, let me highlight it. Use engaging language that sparks curiosity, and do not. Now we are now going to negative prompt. Do not use misleading claims, excessive capitalization, or clickbait. Now you have understood that all the 5 elements that we just spoke about is right here, right? Now going down a little bit, let's identify this right here. Let's identify it. Okay, now for the context, I run a cryptocurrency educational channel for beginners. That's the context. Role play is act as experienced YouTube SEO expert. That's the role play. Now specification is create a 10 SEO friendly title under 60 characters using engaging prompt. Now we are talking about specification. You are being specific about what you want. Now here we are at the boundary. Keep title under 60 characters. You understand? That's the boundary right there. Now the negative prompt is do not use the misleading claims, excessive capitalization, or clickbait. Now here are the common prompt mistake. The video is becoming too long. I wouldn't want it to be too long. Now let's continue with it. I guess I'm already almost done. Avoid these common errors when you are prompting. Avoid these errors. Giving very little information, that's not really good. Asking multiple unrelated questions in one prompt. Forgetting to specify the audience, not defining the desired format, ignoring boundaries, forgetting to include negative prompts, assuming the AI already knows your intention. Very, very bad. So you have to put all this together for you to get what you want. Now, prompt template. Now let's continue with it. Use the template for almost any task. Role play, you know that's your profession. Context, this is just like a kind of me giving you more information about the whole thing, but I've given you all the necessary information that you need already. Now let's go to the conclusion. Okay, now the conclusion is effective prompting is about giving clear instructions rather than expecting the AI to guess your intention. By consistently using context, specification, boundary, negative prompts, role play, you can produce a response that are more accurate, relevant, and useful. Whether you are writing article, generating image, creating YouTube SEO, programming, designing, or whatever reason why you are trying to give the AI a prompt, I think using these 5 elements, you are very much good to go. Okay, so I believe you got information about the whole stuff. I believe you find the video very helpful. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and also please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so that whenever I post any new video, you'll get to know about it immediately. They will send you a notification. And remember, subscription is totally free and it doesn't cost you anything. Please support the channel. It helps me and it makes me it keeps me motivated to make even more educational content. All right, so thanks so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you guys on the next video that I'll be dropping very, very soon.